Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL Flip 5 not charging. If your JBL Flip 5 not charging, then the first thing you need to check the charging adapters and the charging cables is working properly or not. And the second thing you need to check the charging connectors, the charging port of your speaker is clean or not. Like any dust is not there. So clean the connectors. The third thing you need to try is to turn on your speaker first. First turn on your speaker, then press the play button and the plus button of your speaker together about 10 to 15 seconds. Simply turn on your speaker first and then press the plus button and the play button of your speaker together about 10 to 15 seconds. When you press and hold these buttons, then your speaker will be resetted after that, and hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.